What's up YouTube? It's Double A back at it again with another video. And for the new viewers on my channel, I just want to welcome y'all. Welcome to the Double A fam. For the people that have been on my channel already, I just want to thank y'all for being on this journey with me. For today's video, if y'all can't already tell by the title, today's video is going to be how to tie your tie. And this should be like a little simple and easy tutorial for y'all that need to get right real quick. So without further ado, I got you. Let's get into this video. So now y'all, first order of business with the tie. First thing I would make sure that the long side of the tie is on the right and then the thinner side of the tie is on the left side. So what I want to go ahead and start doing is with the longer side, I want to make sure it's like twice the length of the thin side. So as you guys can see, I'm making my thin side just a little short and my longer side like way longer. So now first order of business is, or I want to just bring this longer side over the thin side. After I do that, second order of business, I want to take this tie, pull it under the thin side, and then put it over it again once more. And then you'll see this knot start to form. And then once you see this knot start to form, you know you're doing the right thing. So the next thing you want to do is you want to pull this wider side of the tie and then pull it through this little hole, as you guys can see. And you want to pull it under. So as you guys can see, I'm going to pull it through, and then now as you guys can see, there should be a pocket that forms. Once you guys see the pocket, you know you're almost there and you're almost done. You put the long side through the pocket, and then bam, you got your tie. And basically from here, you can just like adjust it to your liking, or like wherever you want to do, you can just like pull the narrow ends from the bottom. If you have like a collared shirt, or whatever you have on, just pull it and you should be good. So I basically hope this tutorial was very helpful for those that needed it. I hope you guys shared this video with anybody that might need help tying their tie. And anyways, I appreciate y'all tapping in with my videos. And anyway, I appreciate y'all Double A fam. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.